Hello, readers. So, yesterday we analyzed first person point of view in The Opossum and elaborated on the way this literary device can make a writer's account of an event feel real and powerful. In this mini lesson, we're going to explore the original purpose for writing The Opossum. You may already know that some reasons why authors write are to inform, to persuade, to entertain, or to describe, but authors, including Moses, often have more than one reason for writing. Authors don't often tell readers why they are writing a text. We have to infer their purpose. When we draw inferences, we look for evidence in the text that helps us know the author's intent or purpose. So earlier this week, I read from paragraph 1 in The Possum, and the author describes an event she experienced firsthand. She included sensory details like jaws buried in the fur, something she witnessed, or eyes were half open and glazed, teeth bared, tongue protruding. I think she gives these details because she wants me, the reader, to see in my mind what she's witnessed firsthand. I'm going to underline those details so you can see where I'm talking about it. So as you can see in the green, I've underlined those two details where the author describes what she saw or he saw firsthand. Now I'm going to read from paragraph 3 to see what other details the author gives us for inferencing. So paragraph 3. When Michael got home, I broke the news that our dog had killed an innocent marsupial. I trailed after him as he went outside to look for himself. The possum was slumped on the ground where I'd left it. It looked so pitiful that I started to cry again. Opossums may growl and hiss and bare their pointed teeth when cornered, but it's all an act. The bushy, pink-snouted creatures are the most mild-mannered of animals. So here the author informs us of some facts about possums. She says that possums may growl and hiss and bare their pointed teeth when cornered, but it's all an act. So this gives me new information about the possums. So I underlined and I'm going to note it, and I'm going to write new facts about possums. So all of the things that I've underlined seem to be part of the purpose of Moses' main message or theme. I can infer that she wants to describe this interesting event in order to inform us of important information about possums. So to draw inferences, I need to combine evidence from my reading with knowledge I've gained from other texts and my own experiences. In this case, I saw this writer was giving me a lot of sensory detail. So here in the first part, I'm going to go back and also note sensory detail. And then the same up here. I can combine that knowledge and that evidence into an inference. So here I've created an anchor chart on drawing inferences and what they are. So an inference is an educated guess about something an author doesn't explicitly state. So take a minute, pause the video here. If you want to write these notes down in your writer's journal, please do so. So like I was saying, an inference is an educated guess about something an author doesn't explicitly state, meaning it's not found directly in the text. In order for us to be able to draw an inference or we combine them with the following. So when we're drawing inferences, we need text evidence. You always start with evidence from the text. So in opossums, for example, they gave us the sensory details and then they gave us some facts in paragraph 3. We need key ideas from the story, so the main theme, the key idea on possums, and then the personal knowledge and experience. The author from Opossums gave us her personal experience and gave us knowledge that she learned through this experience. So I've just modeled how to use a text evidence in the form of text details to infer an author's purpose for writing. Now you're going to look for more evidence that supports inferences. But before you do that, pause the video here to finish taking any notes you need, and make sure to find your assignment in Schoology. Good luck!